The learner-centered paradigm. Imagine schools with no grade levels, where students work through their educational goals at their own rates. Imagine teachers as facilitators who build long-term relationships with learners over the course of several years, teachers who partner with parents to create the best individualized plans for learners. Imagine a system where students take ownership and are accountable, where interdisciplinary learning is prioritized, where learners progress at individual rates with no pressure from arbitrary graduation expectations. This is a learner-centered approach. Our schools were designed with a factory industrial model in mind. This model isolates subjects, prioritizes conformity and compliance, and standardizes the learning experience. The learner-centered paradigm would completely overturn and replace the current model of education to value shared leadership, collaboration, diversity, and task integration with the goal of meeting all learner needs. Shift the whole paradigm rather than reforming piece by piece. Critical systems theory serves as the inspiration for systemic education reform. CST, at its initiation, was really a reaction to a reductionist, compartmentalized view of science. Critical systems theory is built on 5 key commitments, the most educationally significant being the dedication to human emancipation for full development of all human potentials. This commitment is bursting with fulls and alls, reflecting the vision of public education as the foundation of democracy. How could our learner-centered schools look in the future? The American Psychological Association's research led to 12 principles of learner-centered education. For example, one major cognitive and metacognitive factor is that to be successful, learners should link new learning to previous knowledge in meaningful ways. These connections and the construction of new learning require significant effort on the part of the learner, which underscores the importance of motivation through relevance, choice, and learner autonomy. We must remember that learning is a social experience that is most effective when learners' diverse backgrounds are taken into account. So how do teachers create this paradigm shift? Through personalized learning, or instruction and environments based on learner needs and preferences, differentiated instruction, or strategic planning to meet the needs of all learners, and brain-based instruction, an understanding of how people learn. The ultimate goal of learner-centered education is a population that is no longer simply trained for low-skill labor jobs, but prepared for a fast-paced information and innovation economy.